Hey gifted crafters, welcome back to my channel. So if you caught me on my last live, you know that I got a little gift from the hubby here that came all the way from Australia. So I'm really excited because I haven't had a chance to open it. I've been so busy making hats with my Sentro machine. And then of course, we've got Snowball, which you guys helped name, and I was able to put them together. So I was really excited about this, and I thought that it would be really great if I can get with you and do the unboxing together. Alrighty, let's get started. So I'm gonna grab my little box cutter here. And, ooh, like I said, this box was in pretty rough shape here. I guess it made a pretty big trip here. So I think I gotta open it some more. Here we go. Let's put that blade away. And I'm excited. Here we go. Ooh, lots of packages. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's an Addi machine. Wow, so now I have the Sentro and I have the Addi. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the Addi Express King size. So I guess I told you I was going a little cray-cray with all of this knitting. So I guess he caught on and he thought that he had to get me something. Oh, this is really sweet. Thank you. How exciting. All right, let's get this out of this box. Oh, how fun. Look at the shape of this box. That's pretty neat. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Get all the packaging. Ooh, they really packaged it. Well, they packaged it really well because it really went through a journey here. So let's see. Let me just set this over to the side. Okay, wow. So it's an Addi Express King size, and it's made in Germany, so it's got German and English all over the box. Wow. Okay, it looks like there's 46 needles, has some hooks. Wow. Okay, let's get this opened. I think we just open it. Oh, here we go. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, okay. So, looks like here are some instructions. Always good to have and read. Let's see, it's got a little box here. It says Addi topper, 2 Addi Express stoppers. Okay, so that's pretty neat. I didn't get that with the Sentro, so this has some little stoppers for you. So I think that's really great. Okay. Now, this is the exciting part about the Addi machine. It comes with the clamps. So you can clamp them onto your table and it doesn't move around as you are trying to crank. So let's see, I think it comes. Oh, okay, so these are 2, and these are the little feet that come with the machine. So we've got 4 of the little feet, and then you have 2 clamps. So those are great, because now my Addi won't move around as I'm trying to crank it. Awesome. And it looks like they give you some pins as well as a little darning needle, and this one has the little tip. Awesome. I love it. Okay, let's get the machine out. Okay. I'm gonna try to put this over to the side. Okay. Let me move this over here. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. trying to have it out of the way. Let's leave it like that for now. Okay, so we've got our box, we've got our instructions, we've got the little Addi stoppers, which is great, and we have the pins and a little darning needle. Here's the crank. So we've got the little cranking thing here. Oh, and you can see the needles are popping up, and you've got the counter, and it says Addi Express king size. So let's just see. Oh yes. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Awesome. So I guess you'll have to put the feet on. And let me just crank this over to the side. Well, this is it. Looks great. I can't wait to get started on some projects. And I'm sure I'll do a comparison between the Addi machine and the Sentro. So look forward to doing a video on that pretty soon. But this is it, guys. I am really excited, and I hope you are too, because we'll make some really fun projects together with this. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget, if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Hope to be crafting with you soon, or knitting with you soon. Bye.